Today we're going to take a look at the Lunar Signal mission, including a walkthrough and some tips and tricks to help you maximize your bonus points. Let's get started. Hey Space Nation, Aaron here. We're going to jump into the Lunar Signal mission. I want you to see it, how it goes in real time, and I will try to walk through it and give you some explanations. It's one of the missions that allows for some of that. So let's jump in right away. All right, continue. We're going to go in landscape mode. All right, you do move from left to right. It just moves your character around the planet. You have to first pick up a transmitter. It's pretty simple. And move it around. And from here, it's all about timing. All right, so I'm going to run my guy around to the left here. You do have to throw your signal into that little circle. And you just have to time it. See, I went too fast there. The satellites do change position here, as well as speed. Okay, so again, I'm going to need to do it probably halfway in between those two dots. I would highly suggest using the little dots that they have as reference points. Okay, on the second level, what you're going to see is some red debris, I guess, orbiting around. And as you saw, it just hit that satellite there. I'm going to move in more in the center. And if it hits anything, it's going to, yes, there you go. If it hits anything, it will just, eliminate the signal. So you do have to be wary of hitting any of those things. The way I approach this is I just don't really worry about them. You can't control that. I do just try and keep as you saw that, I just lost my my attempt. What I try and do here is I try and do one, maybe two signals at a time, and just do it right around. Oh man, I got nailed again. All right, so it'll give you an idea of how far you have to wait. If you can get one all the way there, then it will give you an idea of how long you're going to have to wait. So it looks like I can go right about there. Let's try. Got it. Nice. So now we're pretty much just doing bonus points. You really just have to get those three circles. From here on out, it's all bonus points. As you can see, the satellite's going a lot faster now. So I'm going to have to start way back here, maybe. That looks like I might actually do it. Nice. Okay. Sometimes you just get lucky. Looks like the satellite is going slower now. So I'm going to want to wait till he's more like halfway or, 3/4 of the way there. Maybe do two. So I did one at half and one at 3/4. Half is about right, it looks like. We just lost it because of the space debris. So I'll send another one. Hopefully we don't lose it. There's a lot of, yeah. At these longer levels, sometimes you'll just go through streaks of consistently hitting debris. It kind of just is bad luck at that point. Looks like we have pretty clear. Hopefully that works. Nice. All right. Let's go. Try and get one more in the last 20 seconds here. Keep in mind, now I'm a lot closer to that point on the orbit that I'm trying to hit. So I don't need to be as far away. But my satellite did, or my communication did get hit by some space debris, it looks like. All right. Go for there again. Maybe one more. Nope. And the time ran out. Okay. So here we go. Let's look at the points and see what we're dealing with here. So I got 5 bonus points. I think I only got 1 or 2 additional, I guess they're called connections. I don't know. But I got a couple more connections than the requirement, which was only 3. So this is another one of these missions that it's going to be difficult to really get up to the 15, 20 point range. I think you're just going to have to get really lucky because that space debris, you can't pay attention to the space debris and the satellite. There really isn't much wiggle room. You're just going to have to shoot that signal out when you know that it's about the right time to send it out to satellite. And if there's space debris there is. So you just can't really avoid that. So there's just things go slow enough that I don't think you're going to be able to get really high bonus points unless you get lucky on a consistent basis. So this is a fun mission but it does tend to be one that isn't so efficient. So I enjoy it, but I tend to shy away from it a little bit from a earning points perspective. Okay, cool guys, so that's everything. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to put that in the comments as usual. Also, like, subscribe, questions, whatever you have, go ahead and do that. And keep earning those points, and I will see you at Space Camp in Iceland. See you guys.